So I wanted to give a little example of how this tofu press works. First you start with the clear container. You put in the container that has the holes on the bottom so that you can squeeze the water out. You attach the presser to the top, like so. And then you put it inside, clasp it down on each side, like so. And then you would squeeze it, and you can see it moving. Oops. You can see it moving on the bottom, and it squeezes out the water. It recommends that you squeeze the water out on your tofu. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then continue to squeeze until you get to the max that it can be squeezed down.